What are the top 7 Shopify apps that you need in 2018 to maximize your revenue? Hey, what's going on guys? Sri Kanase here, and today we're going to be talking about the top 7 Shopify apps that you need to have in 2018. So if you guys haven't already, please click the subscribe button down below because I'm providing value every other day. And also be sure to like this video. And let me know in the comments if you guys have any requests for any other types of videos. So let's jump right into it. So the very first app on my list is Ali Reviews. So basically what this app does is you get to import reviews directly from AliExpress for whatever items that you import onto your store. Social proof is very important when it comes to e-commerce, and having this app, even if your store is new, you'll get to have the reviews for that item on your store. So that not only does this add social proof to your store, but it also adds that factor of trust that the customers need in order to trust your website and purchase from you. So this is my number one app that I recommend. It's a free social app for around 10 items I think, and then you have to pay. But this is very good if you just want some reviews for your best selling items, and I would definitely recommend that you get this. The very next app on our list is Horrified. This is a countdown timer, and what this does is it adds a value of scarcity on your store. Now usually I don't use these timers because again, we live in the 21st century and by now everyone knows these are fake. But what I use is, it's a timer that tells you there's only a certain amount of products left. So for instance, it would say 97 of 100 items sold. And this adds the scarcity that you need, and it also lets the customer know that there are very few items left on your store and that they need to make their purchase right now. So this is my second app on the list that you definitely need to have if you haven't already. Now the very third app on my list is Mobile Converter. Now most of our sales, around 40% of the sales, come from mobile phones. And it is very important for you to make it easy and seamless for the customer to check out on their mobile phone. And this app exactly helps you with that. What this app has helped me do is add this kind of layout to the mobile devices. So as you can see, it adds a buy now button at the very top, so when the person, even if the person scrolls down, they could still click buy now. As you can see, the add to cart bar is always visible when scrolling, and the customers can select variant right from the sticky bar. And also this app lets you click on the show gallery so that the images become zoomed in. And this app has definitely helped me increase my conversion rate by up to 3%. And my main store actually has a conversion rate of 5%, and I think this app gets a lot of credit for that because most of my traffic comes from mobile devices. So you definitely need this app if you haven't got it already, and the best part is it's free. Now the fourth app on my list is Klaviyo, and I use this for email marketing. I have tried other email apps such as MailChimp and Abandonment Protector Plus, but I find Klaviyo the easiest to work with, and I love their template and layout. So I would definitely recommend Klaviyo for all your emails and flows, and this app should definitely help you create some amazing emails so that you can send your customers and retrieve sales from emails. I have personally made around thousands of dollars with Klaviyo, so I would definitely recommend it. The fifth app on my list is SalesPop. This app is definitely one you should get, mainly because it lets you add social proof once again to your website. Now as you can see, what this app does is it pops up a notification on the bottom of your screen, either on the left side or the right side, that someone has purchased something from your store. This definitely adds that level of social proof to your site because customers begin to think that your website is getting sales. And the best part is you can customize this app according to the holiday themes or however you like. And this app definitely has helped me get extra sales because once again it adds social proof that you need in order to increase your revenue and your conversion rates. Now this sixth app is only if you plan to advertise your products outside the United States, but this is the MultiCurrency App. Basically what it does is it lets you add different currencies for each country that you would like up at the very top, and it gives a very nice look overall. A better look than the other apps that I have used. So I would personally recommend this if you plan to advertise outside the United States. Now the final app on our list is Conversion Plus. Basically what this app does is it adds urgency to your add cart page. So as you can see over here, when you install this app, you could install a message on your cart page that says your cart is reserved for X minutes. And you could adjust these minutes, but what it does is it adds urgency to your cart page. So when a customer is on this page, they are more inclined to check out early so that their cart doesn't get expired. This app has definitely increased my conversion rate because it lets the customer realize that they could lose out on an appealing offer. So I would definitely recommend this app on your store if you don't have it already. So these are the top 7 apps that I would definitely recommend that you guys have. And you could easily get these apps through the Shopify store. So that is all for this video, and if you haven't already, check out my last videos on Instagram influencers and how to get maximum revenue from all your ads that you post on Instagram. And also be sure to click the subscribe button down below and like this video if it has helped you.